In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on Yahoo Mail. This process is essential for staying updated on your important emails. Whether you prefer using the mobile app or the desktop website, I'll guide you through each step clearly. To begin, open the Yahoo Mail app on your mobile device. You can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap the icon, the app will launch, displaying your inbox. This is where you manage your emails and notifications. A quick reminder, having the app open makes it easier to set up alerts without distractions from other applications. Next, tap your profile icon, which is usually located in the top left corner of the screen. This icon may appear as your photo or a silhouette. Tapping this icon opens the account menu, where you can manage various settings. It's important to navigate here because the notification settings are housed within this menu. This step ensures you can customize how and when you receive alerts about your emails. After accessing your profile menu, tap Notifications. This section allows you to control your email alert preferences. You will see options related to different types of notifications. Selecting the right notification type will help you stay informed without being overwhelmed by too many alerts. This is crucial to keep your notifications relevant and manageable. Now, you'll see two options: turn on all messages and features, or choose just the categories I choose. If you select all messages and features, you'll receive notifications for every email that comes into your inbox. On the other hand, if you prefer more control, you can choose just the categories I choose. This option allows you to receive alerts only for specific types of emails, such as promotions or important updates. This choice is important because it keeps your notifications streamlined and focused. Next, select which types of emails you want notifications for. You may want to prioritize certain categories over others, such as personal emails or work-related messages. Making these selections will help you avoid missing important communications. Once you have made your choices, you will feel more in control of your email experience. Now, remember that Yahoo also requires notifications to be enabled in your phone settings. This step is essential because without enabling notifications at the system level, you won't receive any alerts from the Yahoo Mail app. To do this, go to your phone settings, find the notifications section, and ensure Yahoo Mail is allowed to send notifications. This is a crucial step that guarantees your alerts are active and functioning. Moving on to setting up alerts on the Yahoo Mail website. First, sign in to Yahoo Mail in your browser. This can be done by navigating to the Yahoo Mail website and entering your login details. Once signed in, you will see your inbox and various options for managing your emails. This step is important because it gives you access to additional settings not available on the mobile app. Next, click Settings or More Options, which is usually represented by a gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking here opens a drop-down menu with various settings. This area is where you can customize your email experience on desktop. It's important to explore these options to optimize your email notifications further. After accessing the Settings menu, select Notifications. This section will allow you to manage how you receive alerts on your desktop. You will see options that pertain specifically to desktop notifications. This helps you stay informed while you work or browse the internet, ensuring you don't miss anything important. Now, turn on desktop notifications. By doing this, you are allowing your browser to send you alerts whenever a new email arrives. Enabling this setting is essential as it provides real-time updates, helping you respond promptly to important messages. Finally, allow notification permissions when your browser asks. This step is vital because without granting these permissions, you will not receive any notifications on your desktop. Confirming these permissions ensures that your email alerts are fully operational. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to manage your email notifications effectively. You can now stay updated on important emails, whether you are using the mobile app or the desktop version.